Hi, this is Dr. Subhatra. In this session, I am going to discuss about the track maintenance. Some of the contents what we are going to see in today's session are what is track maintenance, what is the need, what are the advantages of track maintenance, what are the characteristics of good track maintenance, then what are the annual programs needed for maintaining a track in a good condition, what are the different systems of track maintenance. We'll see all these contents in today's session. So first is what is track maintenance? It is restoring all the component parts of a track to the best possible condition by checking it periodically. Only then when it is maintained or restored in a proper condition, it can serve all the requirements of a good track. What is the need for track maintenance? When the track is subjected to a constant movement of heavy and high speed trains, the package may get loosed and the geometry may also get disturbed. Geometry means super elevation, gradient, curvature. Okay, they may get disturbed. Bringing back all these to the original condition may reduce the impact of the high speed trains, and the fittings of the track can be undone, and there is a heavy wear and tear of the track and the components due to vibrations also. This also has to be found out, and maintenance has to be made for the various climatic conditions also, whether it is a summer, winter, autumn or spring. This track maintenance is very essential. What are the advantages of maintaining the track? When the track is maintained in a good condition, its lifespan increases and the operation cost will reduce. Also, the fuel consumption cost will get reduced up to 20 to 30%. It provides a safe, smooth running to the train so that the passenger will feel very comfortable without any noise, so that the speed of the train can be increased on a larger scale when the track is maintained properly. What are the characteristics of a good track? The guard should be correct or within the specified limit. There should be no difference in the cross level. At level crossing, when two tracks cross each other, when a rail and a road cross each other, that we call it as a level crossing. At that place, there should be no difference, and the alignment should be straight and kink free. Kink is what? The distortion of the rail from its original position. Then the longitudinal level should be uniform, ballast should be adequate, and sleepers should be well packed, so that the drainage can be maintained in a good condition. All the fittings and fastenings should be firmly fixed. What are the annual programs for maintaining the track? The total 1 year is divided into 3 stages. One is pre-monsoon attention, that is before the monsoon is coming. For 2 months period, we'll mainly focus on the drainage, whether all the drainages are in a good condition. Then attention should be given during the monsoon period, that is for about 4 months. We'll focus on the drainage and on a daily basis, on daily patrolling in case of heavy rain, whether there is any blockage, all the waste waters are running properly and it is getting drained. That we have to check during the monsoon period, and this totally covers 6 months. And after that we'll go for the post monsoon attention, that is for 6 months duration. At that duration we have to check everything. It means that the position of rails, sleepers, packing of the ballast and the subgrade, what about the side slopes and the drainage facilities, whether the super elevation, curves, gradients are in a proper condition, about the gauge distance, whether there is any alteration in the gauge distance. So all these we have to check after the monsoon. So totally post monsoon attention for 6 months, pre-monsoon attention for 2 months, and during monsoon attention should be given for 4 months. Then coming to the systems of track maintenance. There are two types. One is conventional system of track maintenance, In our country, we are adopting this. And next is a 3-tier system of track maintenance. These are some of the tools used for track maintenance. The picture shows a Paura, Jim Crow, wooden mallet, sleep tongs are there, shovel we would have used in normal days itself. Then crowbar is for just removing the nails, we'll be using that. Tampers, it is for compaction of the ballast and for packing of the ballast. Track lifter is to as like what we'll use it for our car repairs. Lifters are there for track also. Then we'll see the step-by-step process of the conventional method of maintenance. It consists of many operations. We'll see one by one. First thing is whatever the work we are doing for a day, only that length portion of the track has to be disturbed. Other than that, the track should not be disturbed. By the end of the day, the track should be done in a proper way. All the maintenance should be done in a proper way by the end of each day. First thing is the opening of the road. Ballast should be opened on either side of the rail seats up to a depth of 50 mm. It should not be disturbed under the sleeper. Opening on either sides is different for different gauges. For broad gauge, meter gauge and narrow gauge, the side opening is given. We can use shovels and pauras for opening of the road. Then we have to examine, after opening, we have to examine the rail sleeper and fastenings. Rail should be checked for wear and tear, corrosion, cracks if any at the mid or at the end. Sleeper conditions at the rail seats. Here is the rail. This is a sleeper condition at the rail seats have to be checked, and it should be checked for the fittings and fastenings. Then squaring of sleepers. When there is a gauge variation and kinks, the sleepers may move out of the position. It may be out of square. So by using the crowbars, the sleepers have to pulled or pushed and should be placed in the proper position. We should ensure the correct alignment of the track. It should be checked for the alignment from a distance of 25 to 30 meters. Then coming to the gauge, the uniform gauge distance, that is the distance between the two rails, we have to check. That is 1.676 meter for broad gauge, 1 meter for meter gauge and 0.76 for narrow gauge. Only if this gauge distance is measured, the sleepers can form the shape of a truly square. Then after checking the gauge, we have to go for packing of sleepers. It is to check whether the sleeper is fixed firmly and uniformly with the ballast. It is done with respect to one fixed sleeper. If one sleeper has been checked, keeping that sleeper as a reference, the next sleeper will be corrected accordingly. So each sleeper should be packed at a time by means of 4 members. We need 4 members for packing the sleeper. Okay, after packing, we have to use the wooden mallet. After blowing the wooden mallet, if you are getting a hollow sound, it shows that the packing is defective. So there are many spaces. Then we have to go for that vibration. Then coming to the boxing of ballast section and tidying. After all the operations are done in sequence, a clean ballast should be made and it should be dressed with by means of hemp cord of 6 mm diameter. Ballast should be fully filled at all inadequate sections. The other conventional systems followed by this are track maintenance by means of machines, by shovel packing, system overhauling, deep screening of the ballast, lubrication of the joints. If there is any wear and tear, if the noise is coming on a greater extent, we have to go for lubricating. Then picking up the slacks and using of bio toilets, everything will come under the track maintenance. So all these track maintenance is very essential for the safe, economic and smooth running of a rail. Our Indian Railway is taking a much care and they are implementing new ideas for effective maintenance. This is all about the maintenance of track. Thank you.